You made it.
Good.
It's the last hill, I promise.
Good.
I lied. But we just wandered this way, and then we'll find somewhere to camp. Like, I think, see like that triangle of trees in there. But this is where I found the mushrooms. I can't see any.
Mushrooms, mushrooms. Bacha, 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 mushrooms, mushrooms.
But yeah, I cannot see any.
Mushrooms or badgers?
Both.
Oh, snakes. There's a snake.
I'm not sure. I think obviously it wasn't flat beneath that tree.
It looks a bit better.
Yeah. You happy here?
Yeah.
I guess if it's not meant to rain, we can like maybe just have it without the outer on.
Yeah, just sleep under it. Another bee. Go away, bee. He's a pervert.
I'm gonna have to edit this bit like off screen. Nicola's trying to have a wee and there's a bee and she's scared of bees.
Even better. Thank you so much. You can keep them. There's so much sheep poo. We have a starter of carrots and hummus.
I'm glad you bought 2 ciders now. I'm glad you bought 2 ciders each now.
I brought 3.
Each?
Yep.
Damn! Gotta hydrate.
Well, I mean, 1 is like, you know, and then number 2 is like, and then past like number 3 is when you really enjoy it.
Well, I guess I should introduce everyone to this lovely wild camp we're at. As you guys probably know by now, this is Knickknacks, my sister. And I thought that we would come back to my favourite wild camp that I did last summer. And we'd camp out here. And we have a lot of alcohol. But yeah, the fun thing about this venture is that my sister enjoys cooking. So she's gonna cook us up a lovely meal. What are you cooking this evening?
Tonight we are having fajitas with avocado, mushrooms, peppers and onions. We also have homemade hummus and carrot sticks, followed by eaten mess.
That takes.
Oh my god, I'm covered in it.
I told you. This is why we made the tent. Mushroom kind of looks a bit like some kind of steak or something.
Very similar.
So I've Max to thank for getting me this midgie head net. Feel very glamorous.
It's gonna be like a funeral veil.
I prefer like immediately done.
No, you pretty much have to pick them and then eat them straight away.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Not the cider.
You like the spot?
Yeah. It's pretty, if a bit ticky.
Yeah. I feel like the temperature's dropped now.
Yeah, it was nice getting cozy in my sleeping bag. Now I'm ready for the night.
So I think we're just about ready to go to bed. I think it's about 9:30. Enjoying this lovely evening. So we've both been at work for the season. My sister's joining me where I work. I work in hospitality, so today's been quite busy as it's like the start of the summer holidays, but it's been fun. It's always good fun at work. Yeah, we're both on an early shift and I cooked breakfast and then she served. And yeah, we're just enjoying a bit of downtime. Had a lovely meal and dessert. Now I was going to chill, probably read a bit before bed and relax. So yeah, the plan tomorrow is to go wild swimming, which will be cold, but good fun, and it's the kind of thing which you feel great once you've done it. Clouds look really nice, like particularly beautiful tonight. Ready for bed?
Sure I am. Very bright.
It is. It's got good night vision. Look like two little sardines.
I like how it doesn't even recognise me as a face. Like, that's just a potato.
If you get your face out the cover, it might recognise you as a face. If I hide my face. It's on you. I guess it's time to say goodnight. Night night, everybody. Night night. Actually talk. feel peaceful? So we did try making pancakes, but we didn't bring any oil, so we pretty much burnt the pancakes into the pan. So now we have strawberries.
Could be worse.
There's no bugs.
Flying bugs, at least.
Got a messy tent. Even with a little animal nest.
That's all it is.
Mm. I think it's not the best pan anyway. We do attempt pancakes on it, was just like game over.
Game over.
Ready to go?
Think so. Cleared the area. What are my criteria?
How well you slept, how well you liked the location, company, food and beverage, if you slept all the way through, if you're warm enough, comfortable.
Okay, I'd give sleeping 8 out of 10. Did wake up cold once, but then I just kind of wrapped myself a bit more in my duvet. The food, the wraps were nice, could have maybe had a bit more filling. And I should have put that other onion in. And we needed more cheese. Also, for the next wild camp, need to do some like camp friendly meals where you can put everything in a box and then just take it all and cook it with you. So we could have chopped everything beforehand last night and just taken it in one box and yeah, that kind of stuff. And also brought fat for the pancakes.
I don't normally do gourmet cooking, but it was a fun experience. But if next time we can improve on it, so you have an overall rating.
There were a lot of ticks.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and the midges were annoying. I'd give it a 7 out of 10. It's a very pretty valley here. It was a nice walk to it.
For me, I'd probably give it an 8 out of 10. Just because last week when I wild camped, that was just a midgie frenzy, whereas this one wasn't as bad for me. There were a lot of ticks. It was like something like baby tick hatching season, but baby ticks aren't too bad compared to the bigger ones. I slept all the way through, nice and warm and cozy. I woke up well rested. Company was great. I enjoyed the food. We didn't practice our pancake making.
It would have been fine if we had fat.
But yeah, we'll just have to make a list of what to bring next time and just keep getting better. But overall, I did really enjoy this wild camp. This location's great. I like the forest and the scenery. Like, it's right secluded, no one else is here. But yeah, for me it's an 8 out of 10. Yeah, we'll hike out and then go on to our next.
Achoo. What do you say?
We'll hike out and get to our next location, which is either wild camping or Yorkshire lavender.
Wild swimming.
Wild swimming.
This video is going to need a lot of editing.
Yep. Oh, it's got so many bloopers.
I can't help it, man.
No,